everybody got away, Soil.
I'm hungry. Let's get some donuts.
Oh yeah, there's a donut shop right there. Let's go. Follow the lights, Soil. We can get there faster.
Okay.
Oh, I'm hungry for some donuts.
Welcome to Giuseppe's Donut Shop. What can I get for you?
I need a donut. I'm starving.
No.
Oh, you're out of donuts?
How about a classy?
No.
Cinnamon roll?
No.
What's going on here?
Giuseppe have no more food. He buy all of the Giuseppe food.
What?
Get him! Let's go get him! I'm so hungry. So let's get some pizza. We'll catch him later.
Pepperoni pizza.
Sausage pizza. I need food. I need food.
Welcome to Giuseppe's pepperoni, the pizza, the pie, the paradise, and the pizzas, and the pizzas, and the big pizzas, little pizzas. We get all the pizzas. What can I do for you for the order?
Will you just have a donut, please?
Donuts? You have a donuts? Oh, I love the donuts. I love the glazed donuts. I love the chocolate donuts. I love the sprinkles on the donuts. I love the chocolate milk with my donuts is so good.
Hey!
Oh, hello. Welcome to Giuseppe's Pizza Pie at Paradise. What can I order for you?
Can I get a pepperoni pizza?
The pepperoni!
That's not funny. Give me my pizza.
Ah, the pizza pie is ready. I put it in the pizza pie. Ah, the pepperoni. I put the pineapple. Hey, hot, milk, cold water.
What's taking so long?
It's Wayne. Let's get him. Get back here, Wayne. I have a good idea.
So we can stop him with this.
Yeah, let's blow him off the road.
Good job, Ryder. I think you got him. Yeah, I think I got him too. Stop right there, Wade. Give me my pizza back.
What's pizza?
You ate the pizza while you're going to jail. Today, guys, I want to go to a hotel with a water park. See ya. There's a hotel.
Hotel parking only.
Monster Jam, baby. I make my own parking spot.
Welcome to the Golden Tree Hotel, 5 stars.
Hey, so I want a room with a pool view.
Then you took my computer, so we got it, but it'll cost $50 extra.
It's my daddy's credit card. Here you go, so.
This one is.
Thank you.
It's 203.
Oh, nice room, I see.
Have a nice day, sir.
Let's check out this pool view. Ooh, I'm going swimming. the pool. Here's the hotel.
Hotel parking only.
I'm making money.
Hello, I'm here to check in.
Hello, welcome to the Golden Tree Hotel 5 stars.
5-star hotel? Count me in.
If you call it, let me show you to your room.
Okay, thank you.
I have this room special just for you. Bye, have a nice day.
This room is a mess. Did they even do room service? Room service?
Front desk, how can I help you?
Can you please clean my room or I need a new room?
Oh no, are you right there to clean it?
What?
Sorry, room's ready! Where did he go?
I'm right here! Come back here!
That was a long flight. Hi, sir. I'm here to check in for my hotel room.
Want a cheese bowl?
No, thanks. I'm good.
Okay, I'll eat it.
Sir, I'd like to check in.
Just a minute. I gotta finish my cheese balls. Now, what kind of room you want, sir?
I paid for a pool room. Do you have a pool room?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thanks. This room doesn't look like what I saw on the internet. What? A garden view? I paid for a pool view! Hello, front desk? Yes, you gave me the wrong room. I paid for a pool view and you gave me a garden view.
Oh, hi. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you needed a pool view? Let me look. Oh, no, I don't have any more pool rooms. I have a good idea. So, I found a room for you.
Okay.
Room's ready.
Okay. This room isn't clean. Oh well, at least I got my pool view. Oh, time for some shut-eye.
I'm so tired.
Oh.
There's somebody in my bed! Get out of my bed!
You get out of my room!
What is all that racket? All that noise, I can't sleep. Hey, for desk, there's so much noise in the other room. Can you go tell them to be quiet?
Noise? I'll be right there.
Thank you.
Keep it down!
What is all that racket? Really? It's time for school. My toilet paper.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Hey, Mr. Bob.
Oh, hey boys, nice to see you.
Hey, Mr. Bob, how's your summer?
Oh, my summer was fantastic, boys. Thank you for asking.
And if you want to know, this is our little brother, and he's coming to fourth grade for his first time.
Yeah, boy.
Nice to meet you, son. It's good to see you here, son. You're gonna have such a good time here today, son. I really appreciate you coming to my school today, son. Now, I want you to go take a seat.
Hey, Soil, that's Mr. Bob's desk. This is Mr. Bob's desk. You can't sit here.
Okay, class, it's time to take out your books and turn to page 1 for our first day of school.
Mustard Jam.
What is all that noise?
Sawyer, this isn't kindergarten. We don't bring toys to school.
Who is throwing all these toys?
Quick, Sawyer, we work on your spelling.
Very good. Wrong! What'd you bring for lunch today?
A banana with milk.
Okay, class, it's time to put your books up. We've got our iPads I'm gonna pass out, and we're gonna learn about the solar system.
I like the solar system. It's super cool.
I love learning Spanish.
I love playing Roblox. That sounds like Roblox. Hey, Sawyer, are you playing Roblox? Sawyer, you can't do that. You have to be learning about the solar system, not playing Roblox. I'm sorry.
Okay, class, it's time for lunch. Get out your lunch boxes.
We got some strawberries, an apple, banana, some meat.
An apple, some grapes, and some meat. Super good to make you healthy.
Sawyer, what did you get?
I got ruler, everything.
You got candy?
You got candy? Who gave you all that junk? Mr. Wilson?
Mr. Wilson!
I packed Sawyer's lunch. His parents are out of town. I'm babysitting. Sawyer, what do you eat over here? Well, I guess you can't hear me. I'll just try to see here. I gotta zip this here. Oh, my glasses failed. I can't see nothing. Oh well, I guess I gotta pack his lunch. Oh, that's it. That looks right. Yeah, okay. Okay. Alright, that looks healthy. I don't know what they call this, but that looks good. Alright. I think his lunch is ready.
Okay, class, now it is time to do some board work. Braxton, I'm gonna need you to do the division. Ryder, I'm gonna need you to do multiplication. And Sawyer, first grade, you're gonna do some addition. Come on up to the board, boys. Let's get this thing going.
Oh, I'm sleepy.
Where is Sawyer?
Hey, Sawyer, this is fourth grade, not kindergarten. You take naps in kindergarten, not in fourth grade. Come on, you have to get up. You have to do adding.
Boys, it's time for the music class.
all that noise? Hey, Sawyer! You're supposed to be doing your lesson, not banging on the piano. Here, do your lesson.
Yeah, and don't you get off of that piano.
I'm watching you.
Okay, class, the day is over. You can go home now. Oh, Sawyer, come back, please. How did you like your first day at school?
Good.
Good, it's about to get a lot more fun. Here is your homework.